All right, so phase one is setting the base of this infrared sauna. We had to make sure we had a 20 amp circuit that was non-GFI as specified from the manufacturer. So we made sure it wasn't near any water source and it's still protected. But again, keep an eye on that because a lot of times you want to plug it into a GFI outlet, and that's just not going to work. It's going to continue to blow the breaker. So we've got this all set up here, and as you can see here, we've got the floor base down. We're going to go ahead and put some felt pads underneath these corners so it's easier to slide around on this epoxy flooring. We're going to move it away from the walls in order to get the back on first, then the sides, then the front, and the top last. You can see here on these little slots here where the sides are going to go in, and then the back there. This is the panel for it. You see all the connections here, and here we've got the plug here. As you can see here, that'll get plugged in the wall there. It's going to be a fun install, super easy. We'll take you through as we put on the different panels. Thanks.